Hello friends, this is Anubha. Today we are going to learn about pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. So let's get started.
First of all, open Photoshop and create a square size image in a white background. You can select your choice of photo to create pixel stretch effect. In my case, I am importing photo labeled jump. Add a layer below your imported image. Select the jump layer and use the single row marquee tool to click an interesting spot in the image. Then copy the selection. Paste the selection on the below layer. It will look like a single row image. Rotate to the vertical position and stretch to the canvas size by holding the Shift key. Under the top menu, go to the filter and select Distort. Then click on Polar Coordinates. Then select Rectangular to Polar Coordinate. Edit the image to your liking. Here is the final image after editing.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thank you.